So hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis & Company. So in today's video I am going to talk about the difference between review and appeal in administrative law. So for that first we need to know what the both of the terms mean. So review and appeal are two distinct legal mechanisms used in administrative law to challenge decisions made by the administrative bodies or by the administrative tribunals. Review refers to the process where a court examines the legality, procedural fairness, or reasonableness of an administrative decision. It focuses on the decision-making process rather than the merits of the decision itself. Appeal, on the other hand, it is a process that allows a party to challenge the decision itself on its merits. It involves a higher court reevaluating the decision to determine if it was correct or incorrect based upon an applicable law. In a review, the court typically assesses whether the administrative body followed by the proper procedures adhered to the principle of natural justice, considering all relevant factors and acted within its jurisdiction. An appeal, however, focuses on errors of law or errors in the application of law. The higher courts reviews the decision to determine if the administrative body correctly interpreted and applied the law to such of the facts of the case. In a review, the court may have the power to quash or set aside the decision, order or a reconsideration, or provide remedies such as directing the administrative body to conduct a new hearing. But in case of appeal, the High Court or the higher court has the authority to uphold, overturn, or modify the decision based on its assessment on the correctness of the lower judicial or the tribunal interpretation and application of law. Review is generally a broader and a flexible process, allowing the court to delve into the procedural aspects and fairness of the decision-making process. Appeal, on the other hand, is a narrower process focused on the legal errors and the correctness of the decision based upon the law. Review is often the initial step to challenge an administrative decision, and if the party is dissatisfied with the outcome of the review, they may have the opinion or the option to further appeal the decision. Review is usually conducted in a lower court or specialized administrative tribunal, while appeals are typically heard in a higher court or an appellate court. Overall, the key distinction lies in the focus of the two processes. Review examines the decision-making processes, while appeal assesses the correctness of the decision based upon the law. So now I'm going to wind up this video. So if you guys have any doubt regarding both of the differences which I talked about in this video, then you can ping me in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much and have a nice day.